Hey guys, it's time to unbox the new Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. This is a pretty attractive phone because it's not using plastic, it's using all metal body, and this is the Galaxy J7, the old one. You can see the plastic body here. So on the back, we have some specs written, of course. It's a nice white box, so it says Galaxy J7 Prime. This is the 16GB model. We got the metal build, the 13 megapixel / 8 megapixel front camera, 8 megapixel front camera, which is kind of a new thing here with Samsung phones. Fingerprint scanner, which is great because we don't get fingerprint scanner on the Galaxy J7 2016. Then we of course 4G LTE. This is Exynos 7870 octa-core chipset. 5.5-inch full HD TFT display, so it's not AMOLED, okay, TFT display. And of course some same stuff there. So yeah, it does support dual SIM, and this is basically a Galaxy J7 2016 on steroids. Okay, so display, build quality, everything is like top notch. So let's quickly open the box here. Okay, normal plastic we have around it, and here we go. And we have another seal, so let's cut it like this. Okay, here we go. And let's see here, pretty nice and easy unboxing, nothing complex. And this is the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime right there. Same things, metal, the camera specs, and the fingerprint sensor. So let me just pick this phone up. Okay, whoa. And we're gonna take a look at this after looking at what else we get from the box. So of course some normal paperwork, and also these are the the headphones, and then we get the USB 2.0 charging cable. So this phone does not have USB Type-C, remember that. We have SIM ejecting tool there, and we also get the charger, which it does not have fast charger thing, you know. So let me just, come on, focus. Okay, so yeah, it's just a normal charger, and that's pretty much it. So let's take a look at the phone. And this phone of course is not available in the stores officially. Maybe in India it is, I don't know, but where I live, Pakistan, it's not available officially. So it will be pretty soon, and the price will be around $300. So yeah, it's coming at a great price. And look at this bad boy. Wow, feels so good. I'm just gonna remove this thing on the back, okay, nicely, and you can see that this is absolute premium goodness right there. Feels so good, and the buttons are also clicky, you know, they feel premium, just like, you know, the HTC 10. So it's booting up Galaxy J7 Prime, and I'm just gonna peel the plastic off the display. So at the bottom you can see that we get the charging, the 3.5mm headphone jack, and there's no speaker, okay? The speaker is actually here at the top right corner. So that is actually a new thing from Samsung, and it sounds really well. Okay, try it out on my other J7. You can see then we got the volume rocker and power button, and on the top we got nothing. And it's coming with two separate trays for the SIM card as well as the micro SD card. So we'll make a separate video on that. And let's go through the setup. Of course, this is rocking Android Marshmallow. I think the Galaxy J7 2016 is also on Marshmallow. I think it just got updated, or maybe it comes, I don't know, I can't remember. My memory is like a little foggy, so I'm just gonna skip anyway. Obviously, you can enroll the fingerprint sensor right away. So this new home button does have the fingerprint sensor for the J series, which is a pretty good thing. And I think Samsung had to like make a J7 Prime because the C5 and C7, these phones are like not available worldwide. So I think this phone will be available worldwide. So let's see here, pretty nice 5.5 inch 1080p display. Of course, it's not Super AMOLED, and I can see the difference right away. The colors and everything looks different compared to the Super AMOLED displays, and you can see really less applications installed, so very less bloatware. We have the Samsung Notes application. This is not running the latest and the greatest Grace UI, Grace Touches UI from the Note 7. You can confirm that by going into the setting. You can see the old kind of a UI look there, but it will get it eventually. We have the software information and our 6.0.1. So Exynos 7870 processor here for the performance, the Meli 823 GPU, so it should fly through everything. Of course, I will be doing speed tests, I'll be doing camera tests, and all the videos that you guys want to see, I will be producing that pretty soon. And let's take a look at the camera. Of course, you can see that normal Samsung type of UI, and you got Pro mode, panorama, different stuff, so you can just quickly capture a photo. You can record up to 1080p. You can see here full HD, which is nice. No 4K, but that's okay. It's a mid-range phone, and this time, you know, for the price, this phone is actually offering a lots of good stuff, you can say. So also, if we talk about the, let's see here, quick setting area, you get all the different modes here, everything, nothing is missing. And here is a side-by-side comparison with the Galaxy J7 2016, and you can see they are pretty much equal size-wise, but of course the choices of material is, it makes a lot of difference. So again, I'll be doing an in-depth comparison between these two phones, speed test-wise as well as camera-wise. So the back feels a lot more better here, a lot more premium with the Galaxy J7 Prime. So yeah, stay tuned for all the coverage, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.